Hi friends, welcome to Digital Tech by Vignesh Balaji. So in this video you are going to see the GitHub CLI beta version. So you would have already used the Git bash. So this GitHub CLI is pretty different from the Git bash or the Git commands. So where you can using this GitHub CLI which is being developed by the GitHub. So here you can actually create PRs and key issues from the command line tool instead of going to the GitHub UI and creating the issues. So let us see how to do all this stuff. So for this you need to install GitHub CLI. So for Mac you have to brief install GitHub gh. So gh is nothing but the GitHub, and so for Windows you will have the MSI version downloaded. So this is available in Scoop and Chocolatey. So this is still in beta stage for development, so where you have limited features. Once the stable version is released, you will be having more commands available. So you can see like there is only two things, like you can create PRs or you can create issues for a particular feature branch. And the official website is given below, like cli.github.com, where you can actually go to the website and see the list of commands. Everything will be in a detailed thing. So, and as well as they are asking for feedback, so you can give feedback how this GitHub CLI. So based on the feedback, the developers over there like try to implement certain features based on the feedback that is received by the open source community. So actually I have installed the GitHub using the brief, and let us see how it goes. So in the terminal windows, I have already cloned the Angular Docker, so you can see the branch like I have in feature readme. So now what I will do is that I will go to the repository and do some changes and commit it over there and create a PR from there. So now I will do some changes in readme file and commit the same. So now I have actually did the changes, and let's see the status and commit those. So only like readmd file is changed, so I will add git add dot and again git status, so it is there. So I'll do git commit. So now I have actually committed those, and I'll push those to the branch feature slash readme. So this is my first commit, so it is asking to set the upstream. So I have successfully committed the changes to the feature slash readme. So now let us create PR for this. So to create PR, you have to type gh create, and you have to give a title for the so hyphen title. So these are the flags. So I'll give it a title as readme changes. Then if you want to give body, you can give it. So I'm giving a body flag, and I'm typing the changes. So I have given it as changes. So now you can see PR will be created. Sorry, I forgot to mention the PR, so I have simply mentioned GHPR. So we have to specify what it exactly. So GHPR create a title and body. So now creating pull request. So there's a pull request which is created, so that you can see the name of the number, which is the first pull request I have created. Now you can actually list the PR. So it is gh PR list. So this will list down the PR. So we have created only one PR, so that has been listed here, and you can also view the status of the PR. So that is gh PR status of which PR number. So it is 1. So you can see the status of the PR. So it is like what is the current branch and created by whom. And you can also view the PR like gh PR view the PR number. So this will take you to the view, like you can see it's been automatically created. You don't want to manually go and create the readme changes. It will go to the web UI and it will show you the changes. So this is how you can able to create PR. Now let us create an issue for this. So gh issue create, same again, the title and the body. So I'm changing like docker changes. The issue is docker changes, and the body is issue. So don't worry about this title and name is like for the sake of understanding. So you have to specify gh issue because you are creating an issue. So create hyphen title, which is a flag, like I'm given the name of the title, and body I have given some name. Okay, so let's try to hit enter. So this will create an issue over there. So similarly gh issue list, so it will list down all the issues just been created. So you can see there is an issue #2 docker changes. So when you refresh here, you can change the issue should be listed over here. Yeah, so the issue is also listed over here. And similarly you can see the status of the issue. So the issue number is 2. So if you type, yeah, so like it will see assigned to, the issue is assigned to whom, and the assigned to which person, and as well as the issue has been opened by whom. Like I have created the issue, so it is showing issues opened by you, docker changes. Okay, so it will give the all traces of the issue and everything. So similarly for PR, so it will give the detailed description who has created and it has been assigned to whom and what is the current status of these things. So these are two other features like currently this GitHub CLI provides. So what still it is in beta version. In after further development it will have more features coming in. After that I'll put more videos on this. So this is the initial beta version Git CLI commands which is available. So I will be giving all those commands in description, so you can find it over there. So and one more thing is that when you initially try to access the GH, right, so it will give authentication. So this is the screenshot, like when I initially try to execute a git GH command, so it will give it will ask you to authorize the repository. So you have to click on the authorize button and then it will start working. So these are the few things that you need to remember while using GH. And I will be giving all these commands in the description, and please do subscribe the channel, and if you have any queries or comments, please feel free to put it in the comment section. So thanks for your time guys. So see you in the next